Wagwan, my friend, how you guys doing today? So in this video today, I'm making some beef shank. So I never made this before, but my grocery store had them on sale, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna treat these like some big oxtails. So I got these. I actually had 2 packets of them. They came in packets of 2s, and I'm just gonna season them up. I cleaned them up first, with just some water and lime. Cleaned them up and got a lot of the fat off of them. Now I'm just seasoning up. I'm gonna put all of the ingredients, all of the seasonings that I use in the description bar, so you guys could just check it out and see what I use. Once I season them up, I'm gonna make sure I rub it really good, get both sides coated really good with the seasonings. Then after that, I'm gonna take it over to my stove, and I'm gonna just get some color on it, saute it for a little bit or fry it for a little bit in the pan and get some color on it. Once I do that, I'm just gonna stew it on down. I did forget to put in the picture some ketchup, but you will need some ketchup. No Jamaican cooking is good without any ketchup. So here I am just seasoning up, and then we're gonna take it over to the stove. And so in my pan I have some avocado oil, and I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna get some color on both sides, fry it up for a bit. And once I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my carrots and thyme, and just cook that on. I'm gonna do a gravy base and just cook that on down. And that's it, you guys. This came out so good. I never had it before, and I'm not a big beef eater. It's not my thing, but these came out so good. Once you stew them on down, you just treat it like you making some oxtails, you guys. Oh my gosh, they were so delicious. We really enjoyed these. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time, you are so welcome, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you